and really respect you for that. But this is our now, as a policy decision we have taken that we will not earmark cars for taxes.
Mr. Mayor,
Yes, sir.
what is the waiting period for this product?
A little more distant from the city, so many of you have had to travel through quite a bit of traffic. I've never known Chennai. I mean, I've lived here before, and I've never known Chennai to be this packed. I believe there are lots of conferences and everything happening. So thank you very much for being here. We're really excited to be here today. We were here just about a few months back, and we continue with our Great Horizon X journey. And I invite, before any further ado, Mr. Mayank Parikh, President of the Passenger Vehicle Business for Tata Motors, to speak to you.
Vanakkam Chennai. It's my proud privilege to welcome all of you for this afternoon, for a very special event for all of us at Tata Motors. If I may say, for a very special event for all Indian consumers. Because today we preview to you our all-new Bolt. Just before explaining about Bolt, let me just share my thoughts on how the industry looks like this year, going forward, in the medium to short term, what we think will happen. I think, as you know, for last around 3-4 years, Indian industry has not done as well as anybody expected it to do. It has more or less remained stagnant. So this brings a point to all of us. Are those dreams which everybody thought about car industry, are they over? I think I would say far from it. I think Indian industry is poised for very sharp growth. If you know, car industry has few drivers which make sure that the car happens, the car industry grows. In India, those drivers are very positively placed. For example, Indian economy is poised for growth. Last year, Indian economy grew by around 4.7%, sorry. This year, it is expected to be around 5.6, 5.5%. Next year, people are saying it could grow to 6% plus. In fact, about a couple of days, the newspaper said that India economy could grow faster than that of China. In petrol as well as diesel price, which is a very good sign for again car growth industry growth of the industry. And the last point for which I think very significant as of this immediate future is the interest rates. Almost 70% customers take loan for buying a car. Now, if interest rate goes down, their propensity to buy the car increases. So, because of all these 4-5 points which I narrated to you, I think that Indian industry will start rocking again, start going up again. Now, in this, where does Tata Motor figure? About two years back. The huge value the car has in terms of features, benefits, unheard of first in industry features. we are giving to Indian consumer a very aggressive prices. But these are introductory prices, and naturally after some time we'll review it. So can I have the price guide, please? So these engineers and these places work together for not only Zest and Wood, for all our future products also.
Actually, it's, in India, most of the